Are you searching for reliable clothing manufacturers in the USA? Whether you're launching a new fashion brand or looking to elevate your existing one, here are the top 5 manufacturers that offer expertise, quality, and the trust you need to succeed. Euphoric Colors, based in Los Angeles since 1993, Stylus Apparel Group in New Jersey brings top-notch printing and custom apparel services. In Nashville, Prange Apparel specializes in cut-and-sew manufacturing. LEFTY Production Co. in Los Angeles delivers quality for every project, from athletic wear to custom bridal attire. Affix Apparel offers versatile solutions that help your brand stand out. But if you're looking for an affordable, high-quality alternative, consider the NoName Company. Specializing in private label garment production in India, NoName caters to U.S. and global fashion brands with a focus on organic and sustainable materials. NoName offers cost-effective manufacturing solutions without compromising on quality. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.